Over the last 2 days we've had the full men's squad from Southampton Football Club on campus. They're carrying out a variety of tests, assessments and evaluations, as would be normal for most football clubs in the early part of pre-season to come into a facility, so they really get an idea of where their players are in relation to where they need to be.
The facilities here at Solent University are excellent. The expertise and level of specialism that the university offer staff in each of those areas is of a very high level. The facilities are right up there with some of the best in the country.
So today I've got a specific station looking at strength around the hip and in the hamstrings and glutes. I think it's great to get hands-on experience, and it's even better today that it's with Southampton Football Club. It's great to learn about new tests that they're using and being able to deal with different types of athletes and the way to conduct the tests for them.
So we're collaborating with the staff, so Saints have a lot of their staff here as well. Doctors, nutritionists, psychologists, physiotherapists, sports scientists, strength and conditioning coaches. So our students are assisting with some of the strength testing, for example, that the players are doing. We're also carrying out some what we would call VO2 max tests, which allows us to assess the players' capabilities around utilisation of oxygen, which clearly is going to be a really important aspect of them being able to run around the pitch for 90 minutes. We've got lots of our senior staff and students here working in collaboration.
I think doing these testing days you get a lot of confidence, using different bits of equipment, a lot of leadership skills and communication, working with different players that may not have done this sort of testing before. I think just working with a different range of players, obviously quite used to working with other students in lessons, so working with a professional club, yeah, it's really good.
The students have been exemplary in the way they've conducted themselves, and their application towards helping out with the testing. I think it's so important to have the new line, if you like, of exercise physiology and exercise scientists helping see what maybe the real world looks like.
It develops your personal skills very much. Character development is definitely a big thing. Mainly I think, and also you can relate it back to stuff you're studying, what you're writing about in your essays, you can relate it back and fully understand it, get a good understanding of it.
We talk about real world learning a lot when we're on campus, and part of our curriculum will be around giving opportunities for students both in curriculum but also extracurricular activities for them to create these real world learning opportunities. Of course, there's no better real world than working with elite athletes from a sports perspective. So it gives our students the opportunity to really look at the high end of sport.
It's been unique. Honestly, I've enjoyed working with such talented people, not just by the organization of Saints, but here at the university as well. Everybody is super knowledgeable, everybody knows what they are doing, excellent professionals.
The community and the regional engagement of the club with the university is really, really important. I think it's been fantastic. I think the university have done a great job in facilitating exactly what we've needed, and I'm sure this relationship will thrive and grow over the years to come.